Hi, my name is Prakash and I'm from Hong Kong, and I have been taking snooker coaching from Villiers for just over a month now, and I think he's a good coach and he has really helped me improve my basic games, the basics of the games a lot, because I believe that if I cannot do good in my basics, I cannot be a good overall player. So I really thank him for that, that he has helped me improve my basic game a lot. And we do practice sessions, coaching sessions once a week, and on those sessions he gives me practice routines which are very helpful, and he analyzed the game very good for me. So anyone who is looking for a good coach, I would recommend them contact Villiers. Thanks.